this course we are going to do some basics overview of activities. First question is, what is activity? Activity in your course, they are to engage the students so that they can learn more from different sources. They can also discuss. Okay, we have a series of activities on the platform. We are doing module. So first you go to your course. After login, then turn editing on. This course we are going to do overview of various activities. So how many different activities we can add for our students? Of course, this is very important. We can add assignment. We can add big blue button. This is for online classes where you can show your presentation or desktop. You can also reply to the questions of your student. You can use a whiteboard. Students, they can ask questions, and it is a real-time classroom, online classroom. Then the certificate, suppose you are making a course where end of the course students, they supposed to get the certificate automatically. You can do this thing. This is not for the engagement. It's like admin side. Then we have a chat room. This is very important for the student. Sometimes they want to consult with their colleagues, so you can add chat room through the platform. The class students, they can chat each other and you can see what they are discussing. Then we have choices. The certificate is again the same certificate. Then we have some external tool. You can see here the activities module enables students to interact with the learning resources uh, from other websites. Maybe you are putting some learning resource, hyperlink, etc. You can use this external tool in your course. Then we have a feedback. Suppose the students, they are not getting 100%, so you want to know their views. What should I change? So you can use this activity as a feedback end of your course. Then we have a forum generally is just like the web form. You can create a form and question, then people, they can discuss, or you can even allow your students to create some topics here and other classmates, they can contribute. Then we have some other glossary also. Maintain list of definitions, dictionary, etc. So this is very useful. Then lesson we are going to do separate. This is very important. In fact, the whole course material you are going to show through the lessons. And sometime some tutors, they put their course material in PPT or PDF or just a file or folder. That is not the way. So you have to customize your lesson in a nice way, page by page. So the lesson is very important. Then quiz is for the exams. You can create um, different type of small or big quiz. For example, some quizzes you are going to allocate marks. Some they are just for the self-testing. You can use objective types or multiple choice. There are so many options here, which I have already done in some of the other course. You can check on the platform. Then this one we will do later. Certificate is same. Then you have a survey also. Suppose this is a requirement of your course, you want to do a particular survey, so you can use survey options inside the module as activities. Then you have a workshop. It's like a forum. You can create different workshop, or for the whole class, or maybe in groups. Maybe you can divide the whole class into five, and then you can create different workshops for them so that they can discuss. Is like all the student group, they will contribute in their groups. This is very very important for the engagement. So you have to engage students during your lecture. Then the resources later on in this tutorial, I wanted to tell you how many different activities do we have, and these are only few. If you have some specific request, then you can ask your admin. The admin can uh, install a plugin for that activities also. So there are so many. These are very very basics. Almost all the tutors, they must use in their course. So for this tutorial, that's all. Thank you.